Hi everyone, how is it going? Welcome back to Indras Academy's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to keep your website in the maintenance mode. So by just following the simple steps, you can keep your WordPress website in a maintenance mode like this. So let's get started. Okay, let's log into the dashboard and let's go to the plugins and add a new plugin. The plugin name is CMP coming soon and maintenance plugin. This is the one. So click install now and activate it. Let's activate. Okay, so now the plugin got installed and activated, and here it is. And in the left side, you can see in the menu CMP settings are there. Just click on that CMP settings. So this is where we do all the settings. Okay, and the first thing is you need to enable CMP status. Just enable this, and here you have three settings: one, whole website, homepage only, whitelist and blacklist. So if you select this, your entire website will be in the maintenance mode. Or if you want to keep only your home page, then select this. Or if you want to choose any of the page in a maintenance mode, then keep this whitelist or blacklist. All right. Okay. First, we'll go with whole website. Then we'll go and see home page and a single pages. All right. So I'm keeping whole website and then click save. After that, you need to choose which design that you need to display to the users when they visit your website. So there three free templates are there, and you have a lot of premium templates also there. We will go with the free templates. So I think I like this, and this is good one. So I'll go with this. Let's activate this. All right. So this you can see this is activated now. Click on save all changes. All right. So I think we have done with this simple settings. Let's go and see how our website looks like now. So let's visit the website. So if you observe, so it is not coming, right? Because we have already logged in here, correct? So what you can do, you can click on the preview, or you can check this in the incognito window. Just click here and go to incognito window, paste it, and then see it's coming, right? So your entire website is now in the maintenance mode. All right. If not, what you can do, you simply click on this preview buttons. Then also it will show you. All right. And in case in the incognito window also not coming, what you do is, like I told you, you have to remove the cache. Okay. Pause all. Then it works. All right. So this is how we can keep your entire website in the whole entire whole website in the maintenance mode. All right. After that, we can do few content settings. Let's go to this content, and here you can make some changes to your maintain this template basically. So first, right now the text logo is there, means your website name is directly it is there, right? If you want to show in your template logo, just click here and select, and I have uploaded one logo. Let me just keep it and then save the changes. So now if you go on refresh, so it's not coming, right? Because you need to remove the cache. Just click on pause all. Now if you go on refresh, so you can see, right? You can add the logo, or if you want to keep the text only, you can keep only text also. It's your choice. All right. All right. So the next content that we can update, which is maintenance main content. Okay. What is that? Here you see something is happening, right? So one heading is there. So if you want to change this, you can. So I have already prepared some content. So we will be back soon on this will I'll keep this as a headline. So let me just go, and I'll keep this as we will be back soon. Then I will add this content in the description. All right, our website is currently under maintenance as we work to enhance your experience center. So I'll keep this description. Okay, click on the save button. Okay, so now if you go and refresh, still it's not coming. So like I told you, if it's not coming, click on this cursor. All right, now let me go and refresh. Look at this. We will be back soon. And here you have the description. All right. And let me go back. And there's a few more content settings we have. The next content setting is graphic background. So right now, this is a background, right? If you want to change this background, you can simply choose whichever the color that you wanted. So like gradient, right? Or solid color with different designs. You can keep that, but I'm just keeping it as it is. All right, next let's go and save it. And then let me go with another settings. If you don't want this background color, you can even use the custom images also. Okay, from here, if you click, and you can go ahead and upload the some images also can be added. Example this, if you click and then save it, so you can add the some images also. Look at this, the background is changed, right? So but I'm going to keep the default color, like the color only I'm going to keep it. All right, see, when you same way you can keep this video and all the stuff, but I'm going to keep the color. So after that, one good news is we can add the subscriber form also, subscribe form also. For example, let me enable in-page subscribe form. So what happens is, let me save and show you. What happens is, so still it did not come the form. Maybe this problem with the caption. So let me just refresh. Okay, look at this, guys. So subscriber form has come. Okay, subscriber form came. So if anybody fill this form, right, and you can receive this email. Okay, let me just add my mail ID. Okay, for example, this, and submit. You can see, thank you, your sign up request was successful. So if you go and check your CMP subscriptions, you can see we have received the email also. So if you want to add that subscriber form, so you can go ahead and add them in the content. So after that, even you can add your social media icons also. Okay, so example, if I want to add Facebook and Instagram, so you can add that, for example. So let me go to my website indrasacademy.com, and if I want to add my Facebook page, right, and if I want to add my Instagram page link, so we can add them. All right, so save it. And after that, after saving this, next is the footer content, so which is this. Okay, and if you want to keep your name here, you can keep it. So I'll keep learn with Indra. All right, save it. So now we have done with the content part, and now let's go and preview it. Okay, still it is not changed. As I told you, goes all. Then you click on the preview. All right, so you can see it is changed here, and subscriber, like form, and then maintenance and everything came. All right, and even you can increase the days also, guys, because 23 hours it's coming, right? Even you can change this. Okay, let's do that also. Here it is, guys. Okay. Countdown timer setup. It means, so right now 27, 24 hours, 23 hours, right? Now I can go here. For example, if I say, if I keep it 28 and then save it and preview it, look at this, 1 day has been, right? 1 day, 23 hours. So how many days you want to keep them in a maintenance? You can go ahead and keep them in the maintenance. All right. So now the content part is completed. So this is how you can keep your entire website in the maintenance mode. All right. So now we'll go and see how to keep your a single page in a maintenance mode. All right. So let's go back. Now I am moving to the advanced settings. Just click on this. So once you click on advanced settings, you can even see left side CMP advanced setup. So here you have to click on this page whitelist, and here from this drop down you need to select which page do you want to keep in a maintenance. For example, my service page, I want to keep it as maintenance mode. Select that. All right. Or even you can give directly that URL also over here. So it's our choice. Okay, so let's click on save, and I think I'm done. Let's go and pause all, and then let me go to my website. All right. Okay, I'll just show you in the incognito window. Let me just refresh this. Go to services. Look at this, guys. Right. So I think you can see only the service page in the maintenance mode. Right. So if I, okay, I'll do one thing. This learn with Indra is there. I'll give a link of the home page so that I can come click and come back. So let me go to the editing and go to CMP basic setup, content, scroll very bottom, and here you have the link, right? Just remove this and keep it this. All right, save it, and let's click on this and go back and refresh. All right, so you can see if I click here, it'll take me to the home. Again, if anyone come here, so it is in a maintenance mode. All right, so this is how you can keep your website in the maintenance mode, full website. Even if you want to keep a single page also, you can keep it in the maintenance mode. If you want to get more updates from our YouTube channel, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Indras Academy, so that you can get a notification whenever we upload the new videos. So thank you for watching. See you